Hey guys, my name is Iver, and today we are doing fall winter outfits. I'm gonna show you 10 outfits that I'll be wearing this fall, and hopefully you get some inspiration from it. I definitely subscribe to the uniform wardrobe idea, if you will, so you'll definitely see a lot of the same pieces, but I think that's a good thing. A lot of online influencers just show you a ton of different new pickups, and they have a new piece every day, it seems like, but it's not a good thing for normal people to see for their own wardrobe, because no one really buys that many pieces, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can use the same pieces in a lot of different ways. If you do end up liking the video and want to see more though, consider subscribing. It definitely helps the channel out so much, so thanks a lot for that. But let's get into it. Let's see outfit number 1. And the first outfit I actually wore just yesterday. It's super comfortable, but still a lot going on. Top to bottom, I'm wearing the Balenciaga shades, the bag from Atelier Skin, my orange leather bomber jacket with a lot of cool graining, my Rick Owens Tommy tee, my Rick Owens Dirt Coopers, and my Rick Owens Cyclops boots. Both the t-shirt and the pants are from the Fall Winter 23 collection. The boots are Fall Winter 22, I believe. And yeah, it's a casual one, still a lot going on though. I like how the jacket cinches in the waist a bit. It's very much an oversized on oversized on oversized type of thing going on, but I like that. Like a lot of you guys know, I wear a lot of all black, so the pop of orange, perfect. This is what it looks like from the back, the side, and the front. I'm actually considering folding down the cuffs again, or cuffing them up into the pants instead. So give me your opinion on that. And yeah, what do you think of this outfit? Also in the comments, tell me what outfit is your favorite, by the way. I'm definitely a big fan of this one. Next outfit. For outfit number 2, we pretty much just have full Rick Owens, apart from the sunglasses. We have the Cyclops boots again, Fall Winter 22. The Boland's banana cut jeans, they are the special version for Fall Winter 23. Bought these in Italy, actually. Love the iteration with the thicker fabric. The Rick tank from Spring Summer 22. And my newly acquired Rick Owens Luxor outer shirt. Same fabric as the pants, actually, which is absolutely perfect. Love this outfit, super cozy. This jacket in general is just like wearing a blanket. I absolutely love it. Oh, and the sunglasses are from Chimi, by the way, Chimi 04s. Let's take them off so I can see you. But yeah, I've been wearing a version of this a lot lately. The second it gets colder, I just start wearing my Boland's banana cuts again. Absolutely incredible pants, but they are very warm in the summer. Even in Norway. Very happy I picked up this jacket as well. Love the back strap. I bought it in a size 52. So it's absolutely huge, but I think that looks good. I like wearing a lot of stuff either quite slim fitting or very oversized. And this one is definitely on the oversized side of that. I'm actually waiting for a new pickup. You're gonna absolutely love it. I might actually make like a 2024 pickups video soon. I'm just waiting for a couple of things and then that might be done. Because after I've gotten those things, I might just have like a shopping stop for the rest of 2024. Because that would be financially responsible. But yeah, love this outfit. I feel like I could go to an event with this. I feel like I could just go shopping. There's a lot going on, but at the same time, it doesn't look too forced. You know what I mean? So I love this. Yeah, definitely one of my favorite combinations. And yeah, outfit number 3 now. For the third outfit, we actually only have one piece of Rick Owens clothing, which is a change. From top to bottom, we have the Gucci aviators. We have the vintage Hugo Boss cashmere coat, or Cashgora mix, I think. So 50% cashmere, 50% angora. Rick Owens tank top, again. The Acne Studios Fall Winter 24 stone black trousers, twill trousers. And the boots are from The Last Conspiracy. I actually need to re-wax them because now only one of the toe boxes are waxed or like, what is it called? Not brushed, polished, if you will. But yeah, it's a casual outfit again, but still something going on with the coat. I'm probably gonna say that a lot this video. I love the color scheme. I think that the sunglasses fit perfectly with the pants and the rest is black. But I also think that the color of the pants work well with black, so it doesn't really matter too much. That's what it looks like from the back, the side, and the front. I realize more and more with time that I actually want to be comfortable most of the time. Like, I don't care that much about a look if it's uncomfortable. No matter how good it looks, like, okay, maybe for an event or a photo shoot or something, but for daily wear, I want to be comfortable. Or else I'm just going to get distracted by the fact that I'm not comfortable. For example, at the moment I have like a shoulder blade muscle injury type thing. I did something dumb at the gym and that distracts me so much from working. It is insane. I just shaved my head again yesterday as well, which is nice. That fresh feeling, you know? I love this coat, by the way. It's definitely the same feeling as the Rick Owens outer shirt. Like wearing a blanket, you know what I mean? This is definitely not as warm, but it is a lot longer. And yeah, that's outfit number 3. For outfit number 4, I wanted to show you how I layer lighter jackets when it's actually quite cold outside. I love this Molino jacket from Rick Owens, but it is very thin. So I layer it almost like a sweater under another jacket during winter. Very often this jacket from Somar, and it looks insane. But anyways, we have the Margiela Tabby babooshes on feet. Again, the Acne Studio Stone Black twill trousers from Fall Winter 24. And then the Rick Owens Molino jacket, I believe 2003. Not 100% sure. The Rick Owens basic rib tank in dust and the Solmar Ives jacket. I love the color scheme on this. I think the jacket and the shoes work well together. Color-wise, of course. The rest is very earth toned. It's quite warm. Like leather obviously keeps you warm, but layering it under other stuff, like it's surprisingly warm. I could wear this midwinter in Norway with a beanie and gloves on, and I would be good to go. Apart from the shoes, of course. I would definitely have to swap the shoes out for something way thicker, but you get what I mean. Anyways, this is what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the side and the front. I love this look. I've actually been wearing this quite a lot recently. And yeah, definitely layer your lighter jackets under other jackets. For example, if you have a denim jacket that you love, wear that under a coat. It'll look sick. Trust me. But yeah, I think it's a smarter look for sure. I love how it looks in the neck as well. I love the asymmetrical zipper on this piece. And yeah, nice fit. And for outfit number 5, we have quite a similar one to outfit number 1. Just swapped out the top and the bomber jacket, but it's still a bomber jacket, so the silhouette is quite similar. It definitely shows off the waist a lot more than outfit number 1, and that's kind of what I love it for. I did the Rick Owens tank top for draping instead of the Rick Owens Tommy tee, which builds a lot more bulk, if you will. Cyclops boots, Dirt Coopers, by the way, might just be my favorite pants. My Rick Owens tank top, and a vintage leather bomber jacket. Oh, and of course the Balenciaga shades. But yeah, this is how it looks from the back, the side, and the front. This is very much a daily wear type of outfit. If I'm going to like some stores, vintage stores, high-end, there's a big chance you see me in something similar to this. It is comfortable, it's cool, I feel like myself, and yeah, next look. Outfit number 6 features one of my absolute favorite leather pieces. This is a vintage shirt that I bought. The buttons were ugly, so I swapped them out for something almost Acne Studios-esque, and now it's incredible. And the sweater is a silk cotton mix, vintage. The pants are the Acne Studio Spring Summer 19 wrap trousers, which I absolutely love. And then on feet, we have the iconic bunny boots, or the Mickey Mouse boots, I believe the black version is called. And yeah, this definitely works now that it's not the coldest outside, but definitely gives me some warmth. Love the silhouette, very loose but still something going on. I love how the leather interacts with the rubber of the boots. Always drown these boots. I just love when the toe is poking out like that. Looks so good. Always like fills up the pants a bit. Yeah, I love this outfit. It's all black, which I love, which you definitely know. And yeah, outfit number 7 is up next. Then for outfit number 7, we have another certified slapper, if I might say so myself. I love this one. When I bought this shirt, I posted it on TikTok, and I got this comment because I styled pretty much exactly this outfit. And someone said that making the Dirt Coopers look small is very impressive, and nothing really does that like this Rick Owens outer shirt. You probably already know which pieces these are, but we have the Cyclops boots, the Dirt Coopers, the Tommy tee, and the outer shirt. All Rick Owens. I might have a bias towards Rick. Who knows? This is what it looks like from the back, the side, and the front. It's very oversized, super comfortable, very casual, but I'm not even gonna say it this time, but a lot going on. One detail I love about this outer shirt is the way it can flare out at the sleeves. I'm a big like cuff up the sleeves type of person on shirts, especially oversized ones, because they have like too much of a taper towards the hands. But this one doesn't really have that, so I can have it down like this and it absolutely looks sick. Not really much more to say about this outfit because you have seen all the pieces already, but that's sort of the point of this video. It's a uniform wardrobe. Definitely take notes because that is so helpful when it comes to building a wardrobe. Keep it uniform. Wear a lot of the same pieces, repeat outfits, and you will definitely have a better time. You'll enjoy fashion more. It won't feel like a rat race. You won't feel like you have like little time, not enough resources. You'll just enjoy it more and you will be more creative, because if you have to work around the few pieces that you have and make good outfits with those few pieces, you will just get so much better at putting together outfits. Repeat your outfits. Next look. And for outfit number 8, we have one of those outfits that I put on, or throw on for that matter, if I just have very little time, can't be creative, I just have to head out the door. Doesn't say it's a bad look though, it's just easy pieces, work well together, comfortable. And if I have to bring something, of course, the Atelier skin bag. The jacket is the M4A1 bomber jacket from the 50s. Insane fades and stains and wear on this piece. Love it. Chemio Force, Rick Owens dust tank top, Acne Studio stone black twill trousers again. And the boots are from The Last Conspiracy. Love this look. I think the black ties it all together nicely, especially with the earth tones going on. Kind of like one of the earlier outfits with the Molino jacket. And yeah, this is what it looks like from the back, the side, and the front. It's an easygoing outfit. I don't have to put too much thought into it, but I do still love this outfit a lot. I especially love the crop on the jacket combining with the Rick Owens tank top towards the wider pants. I think that's just so flattering, and it's a combination that I wear a ton with different bomber jackets and the Somar jacket and everything. And yeah, it's my no time go to run out the door outfit. Next look. And for the second to last look, we have a very much daily wear one. I love this jacket. If you know me, you know the love that I have for this piece. It is the Jumbo Peter bomber jacket from Rick Owens Fall Winter 22. Absolute insane piece. Fits so weird, but still so cool. You see what I mean? The sleeves are so tight towards the sleeves and incredibly wide towards the pits. If you can even call them pits. Like, look at this. The pit would technically be here. And put all that together and you have like a protruding elbow type of thing going on. And I love that. You can even button up the top like this, which I think is cool. It just flows well. I think it's cool. But anyways, the full look is the Cyclops boots, the Acne Studios wrap trousers, Rick Owens basic rib tank, and then the Jumbo Peter bomber jacket. And the Balenciaga shades, of course. You may have noticed that throughout these looks, I use a lot of the Rick Owens basic rib tanks. They just are the perfect basic piece. They work under everything. And if you do not want the draping, you can just tuck them in. They are comfortable as anything else you'll ever have. And of course, if you are gonna buy them, you will probably want them to drape as well, like I do. And they just, especially with cropped pieces and wider pants, they just sit perfectly on top. So if you don't have a Rick Owens basic rib tank, I don't know what to tell you, man. You should invest in one, especially if you're into avant-garde. If you're not, then probably don't, of course. But if you're watching this, you probably are, so get one. And this is what the outfit looks like from the back, of course, the side, and the front. It's very much a wide on wide outfit, but with something like slim fitting on the upper body as well. And yeah, not too much going on, but it just works wonders. Last outfit. And I definitely wanted to end on a high rather than a low. And I love this outfit so much. Head to toe, we have the Somar Ives jacket, the silk and cotton mix knit sweater, Rick Owens tank top, the Rick Owens Boland's banana cut jeans, and of course the Cyclops boots. I put this on and I immediately feel like a rock star mixed with like a actor of some sort, like a Hollywood actor. I love this outfit so much. It's just a silhouette, especially these pants combined with the Somar Ives jacket. Incredible. I can put on any of my sunglasses as well and it works wonders. Let's actually do the ones I think work the best, and those are the Gucci ones. I think, yes, they're not black, but the aviator shape just works wonders with this outfit. It's just one of my favorite looks. And it is also all black, which is what I wear 90% of the time, apart from when I wear some earth tones. This is what it looks like from the back, the side, and the front. But anyways, those were 10 outfits. This took some time to film, so if the light changed, which it definitely did, I'm sorry about that. Which outfit is your favorite though? Tell me in the comments, I really want to know. I think my personal favorite is either this one or the all black one with the Dirt Coopers and the black leather bomber jacket, because it just is so versatile. They just work wonders. It might be this one though. Oh, actually, to be fair, the one with these pants and the outer shirt, pretty good as well. But yeah, I hope you got some inspiration from this. I certainly did myself. I suddenly thought of other combinations I could wear. I usually do that when I play around with different outfits. I get more ideas and it just sort of like snowballs, if you will. And yeah, we could do 20 looks. I'm for sure not doing that today because my shoulder blade injury thing is starting to absolutely kill me. I want to lay down, but it is what it is. I can like completely feel it all the way. There is no comfortable position. But yeah, if you like this and you want to see more of the content that we make, give us a subscribe, give the video a like. Check us out on the different social media platforms as well, preferably Instagram, Kobolt Studios. We do a lot of short form stuff, but we also do like some fashion tips in carousel form as well, which I think is nice. Some inspo posts, fit pics, a lot of cool stuff. But as always, have a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching.